Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Xiaomi 12 Lite. And to check them out, we'll need to open the settings. Right here, scroll to the bottom to find the additional settings. Here, gesture shortcuts, and now you can see all of the gestures available for this device. Now let's check how they work. First one is launch Google Assistant by holding the power button for 0 and 5 seconds. So if you enable it and hold the power key for 0.5 seconds, you should get this Google Assistant right here. Next one is take a screenshot, and there's two options. There's a slide down 3 fingers, which works like that. And here we just made a screenshot, and also volume down and power key combination. That also makes a screenshot. Another one is a partial screenshot. Simply hold your 3 fingers onto the screen, and now you can crop a specific place on the screen to take a screenshot of. Next one is launch camera, and here you can enable 2 of the settings. First one, double press the power button to open a camera, and the second is double press volume down when the screen is locked. So this one works every time. So right now, if we press the power key double time, it should open our camera. The next one works only on the lock screen. So if we double press volume down key, it should also pop up our camera. Now let's retrieve to those settings, and right here, next one is turn on the torch. Double press the power button to enable the flashlight, but it will replace the camera button for this specific function. So let's try it out. And here we just enable the flashlight. To disable it, do the same combination of clicks. Now the last setting for gestures is a back tap, custom gestures, and I'm not sure if it will work with a cover. We're gonna check, but probably. Actually, it's a cover from Xiaomi, so it should work, honestly. So double back tap 2, and here you can pick a function. Let's go with calculator on a double, and triple I want the silent mode. So now we need to pick up the phone and double tap the back, and it works fine even with cover. It opens our calculator, and 3 tap. Sorry, I double tapped. Again. And now we're in a silent mode. So that's a very nice feature if you learn how to use it. And that's all of the gestures for this device. Hopefully you like this video. Leave a like and a subscription below.